We have finally received the Navitimer 1959 in rose gold. And I have to say, it doesn't disappoint. What a beautiful watch. In a nutshell, it's a watch that was to celebrate reference 806. So Navitimer first coming out in 1952, and in 1959 the 806 was born and became a real icon and a classic watch. So 60 years last year, decided to celebrate that with this stunning re-edition. From my understanding and from what Breitling tell us, the only couple of things that are different in this watch is the water resistancy up to modern standards, and of course the Super-LumiNova on the dial. Back in the 50s it would have been the tritium, which is now outlawed for radiation reasons, etc. Been very, very poisonous stuff to handle. So apart from those two little modernisations, this watch really is, all intents and purposes, identical to an 806 from 1959. In all my years, you get a lot of things that get revisited, rebooted, and films are done and rebooted. Everything gets rebooted nowadays. But this watch, in terms of its aesthetics and the look of this watch, they've been so meticulous to get the look and the dimensions and everything exactly the same. For me, the most beautiful watch I've seen for a year. Without a doubt, I think it's absolutely stunning. 18 karat rose gold. I think the colour of the gold is lovely. It's got that sort of old gold look to it. 41mm size case, married it with a beautiful sort of soft leather vintage looking strap. It's got the domed Hesselite glass, which has been giving an anti-scratch coating, but you've got that domed look again, which you get with vintage watches and of the period. The logo, the markings, the characters used really are exactly the same as they were on the original 806. The movement in this watch is the B09 in-house caliber handbound mechanical movement with a 70-hour power reserve, which has been inspired by the renowned Breitling caliber 01. So you've got that reliability and the durability of a modern watch. Sometimes, in life and everything, you get it right first time. This particular rose gold version has only 159 of these been produced, so it's a very, very tiny limited edition. But it wouldn't be a daily wearer. It's like a vintage car. You're not going to use it for your daily commute to work. It's something you enjoy special occasions. The one piece that we're going to get is this one. It's number 96 of 159, which is a very, very limited number, so I think it makes this watch even more special. The price of this watch is £16,950, so if it's something you're interested in, then please contact us here at the Winchester store or via our website.